Just got back from the drag race out at Firebird between Mr. Bill and his Grizzle and this Tiger 900. You can see that couple of drag races. I did have a little problem launching the Tiger 900, so I was getting better as it went on. But they kind of brought to my mind, I'm getting ready to go to Bonneville. How do you launch out there? And I'm going to show you a couple of clips of people I took last year that were launching, and some of the issues I thought they had by doing that. Then I'm going to show you how I prefer to launch a motorcycle out there. And this is a caveat is if a bike is, most of my bikes have under 125 horsepower, so this is the way I launch it. I do it a little bit different when I got 200 horsepower, although I've tried it that way too. So see what you think.
There's a couple techniques of starting, and you can treat this as a slowly get up to speed so you have a limited wheel spin, which is probably the way you want to do it the first time you're out. Or you can treat it like a 3-mile drag race, which is the way I treat it. Because I don't have an abundance of power to start with, and so the track will usually slow the spin down. But if you can't get your speed up on the Thruxton R, you should be tapping in the 6th gear about the first mile. If you're later than that, you took too long to get up to speed, and so you're not going to go as fast at the end, no matter if you got the greatest traction in the world. So you can see you don't want to start off too hard, but once you get your feet and you get the bike stabilized, to me, I've got the best runs actually giving it a lot of stick and letting the salt slow the bike down. So he didn't get the bike warmed up at all. So he's riding it slow. Going to get up to speed slow, miss the shift. So this is not going to be a good run. It may be fast, but it's not going to be a really good run. I kind of prefer a drag race start. I keep both feet down through first gear. You don't have to give it the complete beans, but you want to get it going pretty good. You see, you can't make that back up. Once you do that, you can't make that time back up. Get the beans. Get down. Oh no, you gotta go more.